In most cases, a damaged manhole can be repaired without excavating. The technician removes the corrosion from the manhole, stops any groundwater infiltration, and repairs the damage. Then they power wash the interior surface to assure proper adhesion. Dito's fiber-enhanced low-pressure spray repair mortar with corrosion inhibitor is sprayed on, restoring the manhole surface to like new condition. After a short drying time, a coating of H2S gas inhibiting Dito's 480 manhole epoxy coating is sprayed on, doubling the corrosion protection. The manhole interior repair is completed. Wastewater is flowing smoothly from the sewer pipe into the refurbished manhole.